Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import sticker on a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since I want to edit video, I'm going to choose video based. Okay, and I'm just going to pick a random video from my gallery. I'm going to choose video from this download folder, and then I'm going to choose, for example, this video. Okay, and I'm going to import sticker on this project, guys. If you want to add sticker, we need to go to tab to add sticker or PIP, and then here you can choose sticker. Okay, these are the stickers from VN. And then if you want to import sticker, you just need to choose like imports. Okay, and these are the CowDot sticker. It's created from the photo I removed the background from. And if you want to import your own sticker, you can click on add right here. And then I'm just going to choose the default. Okay, and you can choose either you want to import it from your photo or file app. And I'm just going to select photo, and I'm just going to pick random photo from here. Let's try this one. Okay, and now the sticker has been imported, guys. And if you want to add the sticker, we just need to click on the sticker like this, and as you can see that the sticker has been added to my video. Okay, you can create sticker from the CowDot as well. If you want to create sticker from CowDot, you can click on this option, select photos, and then I'm just going to add a photo from my gallery. I'm going to choose photo from my pins folder. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, I'm just going to choose, for example, this one. Okay, and I'm going to cut it, and we'll be able to use it as sticker. Click on done, and the CowDot photo will be automatically added to the CowDot list. I'm going to check it. Go to sticker, and okay, as you can see that this CowDot has been added to the CowDot list. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import custom sticker. That's how we can import sticker on VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.